ሄሎ ሰላም ጤና ይስጥልኝ። እንዴት ናችሁ አድማጮቼ፣ ተመልካቾቼ? ዛሬ በአውደ አምሃሪክ ወይም አውደ አምሃርኛ አ እና በ እንማራለን፣ እንማማራለን፣ እንማራለን፣ እንማማራለን። ስክሪኔን ላካፍላችሁ። Let me share my screen. ስክሪኔን ላካፍላችሁ። All right, I should be presenting. We have a and b. This is the aleph a for what it's worth, and b, or if you'd like, a and b. A, b. A, b. A, u, e, a, e, o. That's left to right, unlike the other Semitic languages. Ba, right beneath it. Bu, bi, ba, be, b, bo. Let's do some sample words. O. Nice because it's one letter and it's already a word. O. It's the same as the English O. It's an onomatopoeic expression of surprise or awe or sublimity or something like that. Sounds like you're getting hit in the gut, and it's something that you say in our African culture to recognize that you hear the other person, and it's a barely audible noise you make to say, keep going. Keep going. Abba. I try to get some AI stuff. Abba. I don't know what this nut is on the right, but Abba. It's the Aramaic and Ge'ez word for father. Abba. You find it in scripture in the Gospel of Mark, in Romans, and in Galatians, and you call the monks or those who've taken a vow in the Ethiopian Orthodox Tewahedo Church, Abba. We also have Baba. They call the same guy Baba if he's your biological dad. I call my dad Baba. I used to differentiate between Baba and Ababa. It's really the same thing. Ababa, Abba, Baba, Ababa. They're all father or Papa. P's and B's are switched, if you know any Egyptians. And in some other cultures, P's and B's are switched, but Papa or Baba or Baba, as it is in some cultures. It's a very universal sound. I have A, which is the abbreviation of the Mihiz Arakal, the acronym. Mihiz Arakal, acronym. Addis Ababa. Babbi, that's a nickname. Babbi, that's a nickname. Babe, babe. Some English-influenced Addis Ababa residents might call their sweetheart, their significant other, their concubine, babe. This one's funnier. Bobby. Bobby. I don't know why. That's their way of saying Bobby. And they usually call a lot of dogs Bobby. Wusha is a dog. Wusha Bobby Barat. Yan Bobby ayeho? I didn't AI generate that one, sadly. Here we have Addis Ababa, AI generated by Grok for us. Addis Ababa, the capital city. And of course, Addis Ababa means new flower. So here's a flower. Ababa. Ababa. የሚያስጠላኝ ነገር አበባን እንደ አባባ ሲጽፉት ነው። የሚያስጠላኝ ነገር አበባን እንደ አባባን ሲጽፉ ነው። I hate when or I'm not pleased when they write the capital name of the city ABABA in English transliteration, because then it looks like Ababa, which looks like daddy, papa, father. But it's Addis Ababa. So however you transliterate the vowels, there should be some difference between a, which is Ge'ez, first column, and a, which is Rabi, fourth column, according to our alphabet. So I like ABEBA. Abeba, 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 Addis Ababa. Suno. And then here we have Ibab. Ibab. እባቡ እንዳይነክሳችሁ እንዳይመርዛችሁ ጥርስ ውስጥ መርዝ ሊኖር ስለሚችል እንዳይነክሳችሁ አይን እንዳያደርጉ አየህ you could describe it you could say እንዳይነክሳችሁ don't let it bite you or you could go with the onomatopoeia and say አይን አያደርጋችሁ may it not go አይን to you or አይንከሳችሁ may it not bite you. That's a and ba. Ababa, ababa, ibab. Ababa, 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 ibab. Where were we? Ababa or abba or baba. Addis Ababa. Ababa. Ibab. ስለሰጣችሁኝ ጊዜ እጅግ በጣም አመሰግናችኋለሁ። ደህና ሁኑ፣ ደህና ሁኑ፣ ደህና ሁኑ።